How to find name settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find name settings on Facebook mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here, and now go down until you find this one, settings and privacy, and click on it, and then just go down until you find this one, settings, and then click personal and account information, and here you can find name settings. And that's how to find name settings on Facebook mobile, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.